Rizal's remains a symbol for Filipino identity and pride.
Through this conversation, we hope to reflect on how Rizal inspires youth and promotes love to the country and to be responsible citizens. Jose Rizal's love for the Philippines was not shown through violence but through his actions and writings. His famous novels, No Limitang Heren, El Bilibustirismo, exposed the injustice of the Spanish colonizers.
Amazing that he risked his life just to educate and awaken Filipinos about their rights. He believed that the education was the key to freedom. That's why he said, the youth are the hope of our nation.
He taught children, taught farmers, and improved the community health and agriculture. Rizal showed that patriotism isn't just words, it's in our actions. Loving the country means helping and serving others, just like he did.
Exactly! His life is a perfect example that we can love our country, even without fighting battles. I also think it's inspiring that he practiced what he preached. Rizal didn't just write about change, he lived it.
So, how does Rizal influence us, the youth, today?
For me, Rizal inspires us to value education and think critically. He reminds us that even young people can make difference. Right. He uses knowledge and writing to inspire others. Today, we can use our education and social media to raise awareness about issues in our community.
Rizal also teaches us responsibilities. Being patriotic doesn't only mean living flag. It means caring for others, standing against injustice, and acting with integrity. Even small action count. Rizal started writing, teaching, and helping his neighbors. But look at the huge impact it had on the nation.
And that quote, the youth are the hope of our nation, is still very meaningful. We must continue his legacy by being proactive, not passive. Exactly. Today's youth can be leaders, educators, and change makers, just like Rizal's envisioned.
Of course, Jose Rizal's greatest sacrifice was his life. He was executed on December 30, 1896 because he fought for freedom. His death was tragic, but it became a symbol of courage and unity. It inspired Filipinos to continue the fight for independence.
Instead of silencing him, his execution strengthened the people's desire for freedom. It's a powerful lesson. True love for the country sometimes means putting the nation above yourself.
Even though Rizal did not live to see free Philippines, his ideas, writings, and actions helped lay the foundation for independence. This sacrifice reminds us that the real change of them requires courage, persistence, and sometimes personal risk.
Reflecting on Rizal's life, I realized that patriotism isn't just about history, it's about how we act today. For me, Rizal shows that knowledge is power. Educating ourselves is the way to serve the country.
His courage teaches to stand up for what's right even when it's difficult. We hope that his life inspires everyone, especially the youth, to continue his legacy.
Rizal's impact lives on. By loving our country, valuing education, and acting with courage, we honor his legacy and help build better Philippines.
Loving the country means helping and serving others,
perfect example that we can love our country, even without fighting battles.
But in Rizal. I also
Sir Rizal's impact lives on. By loving our country, valuing education, and acting with courage, we honor his legacy and help build better Philippines.
Rizal influence us, the youth, today.